As you have seen the explanation part, now let us solve the exercise. So kindly be ready with your pencil and eraser. See, in the first example, you can see write in hours and minutes the time that each clock is showing. Now let us write. Okay, in the first clock, first you have to identify which is hours clock and which is minutes clock. Minutes hand, sorry children, which is hours hand and which is minutes hand. See, the hours hand is at where 4 o'clock and the minutes hand is at 1's place. Okay, now please tell the table if the minutes hand is at 1's place means it is 5 minutes. Okay, so how you are going to write 5 minutes past 4 o'clock. Okay, please write properly. So this is here you will fit. Okay, 5 minutes past 4 o'clock. Now in the second option you can see this is hours hand and this is minutes hand. Okay, so the hours hand is at 3 o'clock and the minutes hand is at 4's place. So 5 fours are 20. So you will write 20 minutes past 3 o'clock. Okay, 20 minutes past 3. Or no need to write clock, just write 5 minutes past 4, 20 minutes past 3. Just write 20 minutes past 3. Now this one. Okay, this is here. Now this. See where the hours hand is. The hours hand is between 7 and 8. Okay, means it is still 7. Okay, if it is between 7 and 8 means it is still 7. When it was between 3 and 4, so we said 20 minutes past 3. Now hours hand is at 7's place and minute hand is at hours hand is between 7 and 8 and minutes hand is at 7. So 5 sevens are 35. So it is 35 minutes past 7. It is still not 8. Okay, if it was 8 then it will be the hours hand should be at 8 or it will be between 8 and 9, but it is between 7 and 8, so it is still 7 o'clock. Okay, now what you will write here? See, the hours hand is between 9 and 10, but the minutes hand is at 11's place. So 11 5s are 55. So you will write 55 minutes past 10. Okay, 55 minutes past 10, because still it is not 55 minutes past 9. 55 minutes past 9, because it is still not 10 o'clock. When it will be 10 o'clock, when the minutes hand will reach 12. अभी भी वो 12 के पास गया नहीं है minutes hand, तो still it is 9 o'clock. So it is 55 minutes past 9. Now read the given time and draw the hands of the clock below to show that time. Now let us see. See, 10 minutes past 5. So first you will draw an hour's hand. Past 5. So means it is already 5 o'clock. It is already 5 o'clock. So you will do what? Sorry, children. And 10 minutes. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So the hours hand is at 5 and the minutes hand will go at 2. Correct? And the minutes hand is always longer, okay, than the hours hand. And the minutes hand moves faster than the hours hand. Then 5 minutes past 9. Now it is 5 minutes past 9. Means 9 बज के 5 minutes. So first we will do 5 minutes means at one's place. Okay. 5 minutes means it is at one's place. And past 9. 5 minutes past 9. So it is okay. The black color hand is hours hand and the red color is minutes hand. Now 20 minutes past 6. So first 20 minutes past 6. First what we will do, 20 minutes, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. So 20 minutes. Okay, this is minutes hand. Now let me try the hours hand. Okay, this is hours hand. Then so it is 20 past 6. Now 35 minutes past 11. So 35 means 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. So it is at 7s. Now let us do hours hand. Okay, for 35 minutes past 11. So it is going to be between 11 and 12 because 30 minutes से ज़्यादा हो गया है. 35 minutes मतलब अब थोड़ी देर में 12 बजेगा. So the hours hand will also move little. So it will come in between. So this is Okay, I hope you have understood this. Now write in the table below approximately how many minutes or hours or days it will take for each of the following to happen. Rice gets cooked in the pressure cooker. राइस को अगर प्रेशर कुकर में कुक करना है तो कितने मिनट्स लगते हैं? हाउ मेनी मिनट्स विल इट टेक फॉर अ राइस टू गेट कुक इन प्रेशर कुकर? Ask your mother how much time it will take. I think 10 minutes. According to me, 10 minutes. 7 to 8 minutes or 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Let's write 10 minutes. A cow is milked. काऊ का मिल्क निकालने को कितना मिनट्स लगता होगा? The milkman, when he was be milking the cow, how much time it will take? 15 minutes, I think. 15 minutes. Okay, 15 to 20 minutes. Let us write 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Okay, it will take 20 minutes. Mother cooks a meal. मम्मी को सब खाना बनाने में कितना टाइम लगता होगा? रोटी, सब्जी, दाल, चावल सब बनाने में how much time she must be taking? कितना टाइम लगता होगा? How much time she must be taking? I think 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 30 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. मम्मी को सब खाना बनाने के लिए 60 मिनट्स लगता होगा. द वाटर टैंक्स गेट फिल्ड. पानी की टंकी कितने मिनट्स में भरती है? कितने मिनट्स में भरती होगी? अगर बहुत बड़ी टंकी होगी तो बहुत टाइम लगेगी. घर में अगर पानी का टैंक भरना है तो कितना टाइम लगता होगा? 30 मिनट्स. ओके, हाउ मच? 30 मिनट्स. अ स्वेटर इज नीडेड. स्वेटर बनाने में कितना दिन लगता होगा? हाँ, स्वेटर बनाने में 4 days. हाउ मेनी डेज? 4 days. ओके, कितना टाइम लगेगा? 4 days. A rose bud. I will write properly because you all will get confused. Okay, 30 minutes. A sweater is knitted. स्वेटर कितने दिन में बनता होगा? 4 days. Okay, how many days? Ask your parents, ask your dadi, ask your nani. She will tell you. 4 days. Okay, it is 4 days. कितना टाइम लगता होगा? 4 days. Then a rose bud blooms into a flower. गुलाब का जो छोटा सा बर्ड होता है, हाउ मेनी डेज इट मस्ट बी टेकिंग टू बिकम अ फ्लावर? ask your mummy. Ask or observe the flower and then write. Come on, write. 15 days approximately. 15 days? No, I think it's less. 7 days. I think 7 days. ओके, कितना टाइम लगता होगा? 7 days. How many days? 7 days. In the table below, now we are solving this. In the table below, fill in the main things you do in a day, the time of which you do learn, and the position of the hands of the clock at each of this time. See, first is done for you. Get up in the morning, 5 minutes past 6, long hand just after 6 and short hand just after 6 and long hand at 3. ऐसे ही what all activity you do and time in the clock. So when I get up in the morning it is 15 minutes past 6, मतलब 6:15 होते हैं. कैसे पता चलता है 6:15 होता है? See, for example, there is this clock. Okay, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, short hand just after 6 and long hand at 3, because it's 15 minutes past 6. So the short hand is at 6 and the long hand is at 3, because 5, 10, 15. Correct? So it is 15 minutes past 6. Similarly, you will write when I go to school, you will write what time you go to school, what time last year you were coming to school. 30 minutes past 12. Okay, so you can write that. What time you get, we used to do our recess break, you can say at 3 o'clock. So this activity is homework. Kindly do it. Thank you. And see, in a day there are 24 hours. Okay, every day has a 12 hours before noon, 12 hours after noon. Okay, see, it starts from night 12 a.m. till afternoon it becomes 12 p.m. a.m. to p.m. from night to morning 12 noon afternoon, and from afternoon again to night, and every day has 24 hours. Okay, see, kindly copy this in your maths notebook. This is a note I want you all to copy in your maths notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.